Inflation is one of the most pressing concerns for retirees, and if you're looking to combat it, there are strategies that can help you preserve your wealth, especially within your IRA. In fact, many Americans are turning to gold IRAs to safeguard their retirement funds against rising inflation. And today, I'm going to explain why this strategy is so powerful and how you can take action. First things first. The reality is that inflation erodes the purchasing power of your hard-earned savings. With the cost of living rising each year, it's more critical than ever to make sure your retirement savings are working for you, not losing value. And this is where gold IRAs come in. Gold has been a store of value for centuries, and during times of economic uncertainty, it often outperforms other assets. But before we dive deeper into gold IRAs, let me show you the other inflation-fighting strategies you might be considering. First, many people turn to bonds, stocks, or real estate as inflation hedges. While these can work, they come with risks, especially in volatile markets. Bonds, for example, may provide steady returns, but they're often vulnerable to interest rate changes. Stocks can rise in value, but they also experience sharp downturns, especially when the economy falters. Real estate, while generally a good asset, can also take a hit in a high interest environment, affecting its profitability. Now, contrast that with gold IRAs. When inflation hits, gold tends to hold or even increase in value, making it an excellent option to protect your retirement savings. Not only does gold provide stability, but it also offers tax advantages when placed in an IRA. If you're serious about protecting your wealth, consider taking advantage of a gold IRA, especially if you have a significant amount saved, like $100K or more in your IRA or 401K. It's simple. Gold acts as a reliable hedge against inflation, whereas stocks, bonds, or real estate can be more unpredictable. But how do you actually get started with a gold IRA? It's easier than you think. All you need is a self-directed IRA, which allows you to invest in gold and other precious metals. You can roll over existing retirement funds into this type of account without triggering any taxes or penalties. From there, you'll work with a custodian who specializes in gold IRAs to help you buy physical gold, silver, or other precious metals. If you want to learn more about how you can take advantage of gold IRAs and protect your wealth, make sure to click the first link in the description below. Thousands of Americans are using gold IRAs to ensure that their retirement is secure, and this free guide will walk you through everything you need to know. Now, back to inflation. Another great way to combat inflation within your IRA is through asset diversification. While gold is excellent for stability, it's also wise to include other investments in your portfolio, like dividend-paying stocks or real estate investment trusts, REITs. However, remember that even with diversification, gold remains the top choice for preserving wealth against inflation because it doesn't rely on the ups and downs of the stock market. Another thing to consider is inflation-adjusted bonds, or TIPS. These are government bonds that increase in value as inflation rises, providing some protection. However, they don't offer the same long-term security that gold does, especially when you compare their returns to gold's historical performance during inflationary periods. Ultimately, the best strategy to combat inflation in your IRA is to have gold as the cornerstone of your retirement plan. It's low risk, easy to manage, and most importantly, it's a trusted hedge against inflation. Gold IRAs help you stay ahead, ensuring that your wealth is not eroded by inflation and market downturns. And again, if you're someone with 100K plus in your IRA or 401K, or even 5M plus in savings, then this is the best move you can make. If you're serious about protecting your wealth in the next 2 weeks, make sure to get that free gold IRA guide. Click the first link in the description now to access everything you need to know about starting your gold IRA and securing your future. Remember, gold IRAs are a powerful tool to combat inflation, and with the right strategy, you'll keep your wealth intact no matter what happens in the economy. Thanks for watching, and stay protected.